Spain applies to join South Africa's case at the top UN court accusing Israel of genocide. AP correspondent Karen Shamus has more.
Speaking in Madrid, Foreign Minister José Manuel Álvarez made the declaration after what he said was weeks of consideration. Spain is the first European country to take the step after South Africa filed its case with the International Court of Justice in late 2023. It alleged that Israel was breaching the Genocide Convention in its military assault that has laid waste to large swaths of Gaza. Mexico, Colombia, Nicaragua, Libya and the Palestinians have already requested to join the case, currently being heard at the court in The Hague, Netherlands. The court has ordered Israel to immediately halt its military offensive in the southern Gaza city of Rafah, but stopped short of ordering a ceasefire for the enclave. I'm Karen Shamas.
Israel's military carried out an airstrike Thursday on a UN school in central Gaza, where Palestinian health officials said at least 35 people were killed. The school had been operated by the UN Agency for Palestinian Refugees, known as UNRWA, and said 6,000 displaced people were sheltering in the school when it was hit. VOA's Jeff Custer reports.
At a Tel Aviv news conference, Israeli government spokesman David Mencer said Hamas fighters had a compound embedded within the school, which included terrorists who participated in the October 7th attack against Israel. He said the Israeli attack was targeted, precise, and took out the terrorists. UNRWA spokeswoman Juliet Touma told reporters Israeli government claims regarding Hamas use of the school came as a surprise.
We have seen the claims from the Israeli army that possibly militant groups were in the shelter when the attack happened. This is a very shocking claim, but UNRWA is not able to verify these claims.
Jeff Custer, VOA News.
This is VOA News. As the war in Ukraine grinds on in the east, citizens of 27 European Union countries are choosing new representatives starting Thursday. Eastern Europe Bureau Chief Miroslava Gangadze reports.
These elections will be critical in shaping the future of the EU, said Magda Jakubowska, vice president of the Respublika Foundation think tank.
There is a growing trend of populist governments and politicians in power. And if we don't work on this, if we don't stop such a trend, sooner or later the EU and the European project can become very much fractured and fragile.
Analysts say after the election, security, economic resilience and the protection of democracy in Europe will be key to the EU's future development. Miroslava Gangadze, VOA News, Warsaw.
Officials say the U.S. will send about $225 million in military aid to Ukraine in a new package that includes ammunition that Kyiv's forces could use to strike threats inside Russia to defend the city of Kharkiv from a heavy Russian assault. The officials say the aid includes munitions for the high-mobility artillery rocket system, as well as mortar systems and an array of artillery rounds. The officials spoke on condition of anonymity to not discuss aid not yet publicly announced. The new aid package comes with President Joe Biden expected to meet with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky in Paris on Friday. A small number of U.S. World War II veterans, all in their late 90s and early 100s, returned to Normandy, France, 80 years after the largest invasion in history. As VOA's Kane Faribaugh reports, their memories and presence at memorials that honor their service and sacrifice are fading into history.
Okay. Dick and Dot Rung are enjoying a long-lived retirement in Carroll Stream, Illinois. Rung says he welcomes the outpouring of support and attention for the veterans from all nations, like him, who served in World War II. As Rung gathered with scores of veterans in a memorial service, he realized opportunities to participate in moments like this, for him, are dwindling.
I said, Dad, my wife, I said, this is the last time.
Rung hopes when he can no longer attend, the markers of white that neatly lined U.S. military cemeteries across Europe will continue to carry a message by what they did here 80 years ago. Kane Faribaugh, VOA News, Colville-sur-Mer, France.
Boeing's space capsule has arrived at the International Space Station after encountering thruster trouble. Docking was delayed to fix 4 thrusters on the Starliner capsule that went down Thursday as the 2 NASA test pilots closed in on the space station. Starliner will spend at least 8 days at the space station before aiming for a touchdown in the western U.S.
Thank you for watching. Can you do me a favor? Please leave a comment in the comment section below. That would really help. Thank you, and see you again soon.